Okay, right now I'm in Custer, South Dakota. It took a couple hour drive away from Sturgis. I'd come down here today and see what it looks like down here. So let's take a walk around Custer real quick here. Got over here on the sidewalk. Vendor area here. Of course, they don't have this like the same amount of vendors as up in Sturgis, but you get all the bikes still. One of the destinations for Sturgis motorcycle rally coming down to Custer. And the main drag here. The main drag here, they have motorcycle parking only down the center, but as you can see, cars still can go up and down the road. They don't have any alternative route. It looks like cars can park on the side of the road yet. That's the road that comes from Hill City, and also the Crazy Horse Memorial is down there. That's the direction I came from. A whole bunch of bikes gonna come by now. Getting 18-wheelers going through town. I hear a mooing on there. One last look down Custer. I'm going to make my little picnic lunch, so I'm going to head over to the park and have a bite to eat. Alright, well, just finished up my picnic lunch. My sandwiches. It's amazing, just like a block or so away from where the main drag was here in Custer, is this quiet out. A nice park here. I hear some siren over there, but really quiet here. Okay, that's what this park looks like. And right now what I'm doing now is I'm filming riding footage with my GoPros on the bike, and you know, with the audio recorders. Hopefully all that stuff will work. So hopefully I'll have some good footage for you know, for my videos I'll be making up after I get home. And hopefully all the devices work, and all the editing will work out okay. Then I'll just have to work with however it turns out, whether it's really good or bad. But anyways, gonna hop on the bike and get another ride in here. I'm gonna be going down Highway 89 over towards 87, where the beginning of Needles Highway is. But I'm not going to take Needles Highway today. I'm going to do that later. I'm just going to ride by there, and then that'll bring me back over to 385. And after that, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do then, but yeah, we'll see. It depends on the time and everything. But okay, I'm going to go hop on the bike and go for a ride, and probably. I'm thinking I'll probably have I'll have a closing, I'll have some more video clips probably after this, so you'll have to close out this video anyway, so right, talk to you later. Alright, I am now at, I just rode Wildlife Loop Road, and I'm at there's like a little pull-off right there. I parked there, and sitting at a picnic table here. I kind of came over here to get away from the sound of the the noise of the highway, but there's there. And 16A right behind me, and I'm going to be heading back to Sturgis now. And I'm probably going to go through Rapid City, I think, rather than go all the way over and go up 385. I'm not sure. I haven't decided that yet. But anyways, I'm going to take and wrap up this video. And what I just mainly did down here was I did some rides to get some riding footage with the GoPros, and hopefully that'll all turn out. Those videos will be getting work done when I get home and edited, and then after I get home, and I don't know when I'll get them posted and everything. But anyways, once again, this is going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.